Hey guys, welcome to another episode on my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how I trellis some peas and we'll take it from there. So as you can see, we have some peas and they're getting a bit overgrown now. Oh, they're getting a bit lanky. So we have a few here and we have a few here. What I thought I would do with these three is that I have these three planks. Yeah, I'm gonna put them alongside this and then trellis them up these planks, right? Okay, so I'll show you how I'm going to do that. And then there's still some here and here and there and some here, and those ones I'm gonna use them in a straight line because they're in more of a straighter line. You don't want to put the planks too close to the peas as to disturb the soil structure and stuff, but try to put them as close as you can to the peas. So yeah, you see I've put them behind some. I haven't put behind this one because I want to have like a straight line between this one and this one, and then close this one rather. But you could, if you wanted, you could put a plank behind that one. So as you can see, I've put a trellis around this pea. Now all I did was, as the planks were in there, I just wrapped it around all of the peas, making sure that the string is trapping basically the pea here. You can see that now they're at least standing upright. So I'm going to keep doing this to the other one. So as you can see, we have this pea and the plank, right? So we have these like this. So what we do is grab it like that, and I think it doesn't really matter if it's slanted a bit, because this is not really close to the plank as I've wanted to, but I think it doesn't really matter because they're going to go up. Okay, so you take it like that and you just do a normal knot and you tie it up there. You tie it there, just do another knot here. Just don't suffocate the plant, but yeah, just make it tight enough. Now that that's completed, you take from here and you take this one and you just go around it, right? You go around it, you say boop, around you. Okay, it doesn't want to go around. Then now you have this one, right? That's still. Now you do the exact same thing you did to that one, to this one. Just like creating like a jail, basically. For lack of a better word, you're creating a jail for it. You keep wrapping until it gets to the highest point of one of the peas. This is another different method of trellising, where you trellis like this, and then you have one in the middle, and then you have another one attached to the plank. Right? So you must be assured that this one won't move because it's like trapped in this, right? And it will keep growing in that direction. Now, as these ones keep growing, you're going to have to keep trellising them, right? You're going to have to keep trellising them against this plank. So then now we're going to do the last one. We're going to do the last one, which is just attached to one plank. Look, if you can, I don't know if you can see the butterfly. Oh, there's it, there you go. Can you see? Oh, cutie. Hey. And that's it. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've done 3 types of methods of trellising peas. first is the triangular one. I think if the triangular one works if your peas have grown in a very irregular pattern, you know. So like these ones, I don't know how, like they grew in a triangle pattern, so you can just grow it in a triangular way. And then we have this one that grows in more of a linear direction, where we have a pea there, a pea in the middle that doesn't have a plank, and then one that does have a plank as well. And yeah, see, this one, I think it works perfect if you have your peas growing in a linear direction. It works perfectly for that, and you wouldn't have to use as many planks. You just have to put on either end. You can maybe put 2 in there that don't need a plank. And then we have the other one where it's just one singular pea alongside a plank. Yeah. So guys, all those methods, you could use them. I think it just depends on what's the setup of your garden. I hope it helped. So I'm gonna now, I need to water what's dried out. So I'm going to water the plant. I think that will be the end of the video. You got to let it go. Let it go.